Does your AutoCAD feel like it is stuck in slow motion? Every time you zoom in, pan around, or even click on a line, it freezes and lags. Trust me, I know how to frustrating this is. But here is the good news. In most cases, this is not a problem with your drawing; it is a problem with your graphic driver. And today I'm going to show you the easiest way to fix it and step by step. Hi, welcome back to my channel. So before we start, let's check your graphic card. Right click on your empty space on your taskbar and open Task Manager. Now click on the Performance tab. Over here, your GPU name listed clearly. So if you see NVIDIA written there, this video is perfectly for you. But don't worry if you don't have NVIDIA. I will give you fix for every brand in just a moment. Now here is a super quick shortcut before we go to any website. If you already have an NVIDIA driver installed on your computer, you probably already have NVIDIA app sitting right on your system. So simply type NVIDIA on your Windows Start menu search bar. So if you find the app, just open it and go to the drivers tab and click download. So you can update directly from there without even opening a website. Super easy. Now what if you don't have NVIDIA card? And don't worry, if you see AMD or Intel in your task manager instead, the exact same fix apply to you. Just go to the official website of your brand like AMD or Intel.com, find their driver download section and download the latest driver for your specific model. The process is exactly same and it will fix your lag just as well, so no one get left out. Okay, now let's say you have NVIDIA and you want to do manual way. Open your web browser and go to official NVIDIA driver download page. Just search for NVIDIA driver download on Google and click the first link. Now you have two easy options. Option 1, the easiest, download the NVIDIA app or GeForce Experience. This app automatically detect your graphic card and download the right driver with just one click. The other option is manual way. Use the drop down menu, select your product type and product series and product model. So if you are sure which one you have, just go back to the task manager and check the name there. So once you select it, click search, then click the big green download button. Once the download is finished, open the file, start installation. Just click OK and agree and continue. But here is very important tip. Look for the checkbox that says perform a clean installation. So make sure you check this box. So it will remove all the old broken setting and give you a fresh start. Now click install and let your computer to do its magic. So your screen might flicker or go black for a few seconds. Don't panic, this is completely normal. Once the installation is complete, it is very important that you restart your computer. Don't skip this step. Now open your AutoCAD again, try zoom in and out, pan around and select some lines. See that it is smooth. The lag is completely gone just by updating that driver. And one quick tip, once the driver is updated, type graphic config into your AutoCAD command line. So make sure hardware acceleration is turned on so your new driver can actually do its job properly. If this option is not fix your lag, then please comment me your problem. Then there are other many options to fix this lag issue. And that's it. If this video helped you fix your lag, please give a thumb and subscribe for more simple AutoCAD fixes. Thank you for watching.